Agrimaster tutorial. Today we're going to be going through how to edit a transaction in a closed period using the Repair Pass tool. Let's jump right in. So to begin with, we want to go into the cash book and then click on the Repair Pass tool. So we're only going to be dealing with transactions today. So we want to go into Repair Transactions. And the first thing we want to do is actually find the transaction. So the transaction I want to find is in a period of September 2023. So I'll just search for only the month of September 2023. And now I can search it by the record number if I know, or any other details here. But I'm just going to search by the name. So I'm looking for Agritel. Now I've got enough information here to narrow down the search. So if I click the green tick, and here's my transaction. So I can either double click on the transaction, or I can simply click the pencil icon. And here I need to make the relevant changes. So with this transaction, I just want to change the amount from 2,000 to 3,000. And then I'll click the green tick. Now you'll get this pop-up, which just asks if you want to continue. It's really just confirming that you're happy to change the closed balances. So if you are, you just click yes, and that change will be made. So now I can see here that this is the transaction and that the amount has changed from 2,000 to 3,000. We recommend only using the Repair Pass tool if it's absolutely necessary, as making amendments such as this will change your closing balances. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you need any more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.